Black Sheep Hidden Storage. Black Sheep Innovations, a company based in Germany, has developed a novel solution for customers who want more room to store things in their automobiles. It is a secret place inside the car, behind the taillight, where you can put different things. Depending on what the customer wants, the inside of the compartment can be changed. There are options like a place to put even big guns or a minibar, and the compartment can be locked with a key to keep people from getting in without permission. HondaVAC. With the next invention, a car owner doesn't have to worry about how clean the inside is. As of the 2018 model year, the Odyssey vehicle can purchase a package that includes HondaVAC. It's a vacuum cleaner with a detachable hose and a set of nozzles that are kept in a special compartment in the truck's side panel. The hose is long enough to reach the driver's and passenger seats and vacuum all surfaces in the passenger area. The trash is put in a container that can be taken off and emptied in a couple of seconds. GMC MultiPro. The people who made this product didn't think it was the most innovative tailgate on the market by accident. The GMC MultiPro has 7 features that let it change to meet the needs of its owner. A remote controls the mechanism for opening. The built-in retractable fastener makes it safe to carry even long loads. The top of the door can be moved down, making the contents easy to get to. It can also be turned into a step that can hold up to 375 pounds. The back of the truck can also be used as a desk. Support also makes it easy to load motorcycles and other vehicles. KickAss shower tent. This convenient option may accommodate the ability to take a shower, use the restroom, and change clothes while on the road. The unit is small and can be moved with a strong protective cover on the roof rack. The system is easy to set up and doesn't take long. The roof rack still has the awning attached to it, but the frame slides to the side, and the fabric walls that protect it open up. The last step is to put metal pegs on the ground to hold the awning down. This way, you have a small private room with walls on all 4 sides. And to make things easier, the designers put pockets and a place to hang the shower head inside. It will cost you $130. TruckVault SeatVault. TruckVault, based in the United States, gives you a private place to keep your most valuable things in your car. SeatVault is installed under the back seat, making the vehicle safer and more secure. There are different ways to set it up with 1 or 2 hinge doors. You can also pick the way it locks, and guns can be kept inside. Another benefit is that the SeatVault is made of the same material as the rest of the room, so it looks nice and doesn't stand out. You can start to buy it for $1,245. ATC Conversions. Everyone, no matter their physical abilities, should be able to drive a car. The American company ATC is dedicated to this idea, so it has changed many of the best known and most popular vehicles today. Both the inside of the body and the mechanisms inside the body change. Instead of a seat for the driver, there is a platform for a wheelchair. It has a lift, so the platform can be lowered to the ground. Lastly, the whole side of the vehicle is turned into a door with a gull wing. Instead of the standard design, only one of the doors can become a Gulf wing door. Decked storage system. The Deck company came up with a way to carry your things organized without taking up more space. Their storage systems are made to fit each vehicle uniquely. This method will work as well as possible. The system can be put on the body floor in about 15 to 20 minutes with a standard set of tools. It can hold up to 2,000 pounds of evenly distributed weight. It can store guns, ammunition, and tools. The pull-out drawers make it easy to get to what you need, and the many compartments keep things neat. The price ranges from about $500 to $600, depending on the model. HitchSafe. Even though it's hard to believe, something as small as a tow bar can have more than one use. Today, we want to demonstrate some fascinating choices available to you. Like many other devices shown today, the first option gives you more space to store minor, valuable items. HitchSafe looks like an average tow bar, except the 4 numbers are hidden under a cover. They are part of a coated line that protects what's inside a small box. $45 is the price. Mad ramps. Regarding loading vehicles onto a truck bed, the second configuration choice is the one that allows for the quickest, most accessible, and most secure loading process. A metal frame and several load platforms make up the system. A tow bar is used to connect them to the vehicle. Not only do mad ramps help lift and load the car, but they also keep it safe during the trip. The system is perfect for off-road vehicles, motorcycles, golf carts, and snowmobiles that weigh up to 1,400 pounds and can be put together in seconds. Mad ramps are made in the United States. Prices begin at $309. Minuteman. It makes it possible for any car to tow other vehicles behind it safely. The hydraulic frame moves down to the ground, slides under the car, and hooks up with one set of wheels. This is enough to raise and pull the vehicle. Because it can lift 3,500 pounds, you can work with almost any passenger car. The remote makes it easier to use the TV. Twistep, and this modification option for the tow bar is ideal for people who own dogs, particularly those with larger dogs. Twistep is a step that folds up and makes it easy and safe for the pet to get into the truck. The new thing is small and made as easy to use as possible. Installation takes just a few minutes. The step is hidden under the bottom when it is being moved so it doesn't get in the way. But an adult can easily stand on a Twistep, which makes it worthwhile for more people. It will cost you $250. Nissan X-Trail 4 Dogs. One of the best gifts ever given to animal lovers came from Nissan some time ago. 4 Dogs is a concept system for the X-Trail SUV. That's everything you need to travel with your pets comfortably. The trunk inside is made of a soft but strong material that won't pick up dirt from paws and hair. A travel feeder, a drinking bowl, and a dog bath can also fit. There is a camera, and the picture it takes is sent to the cabin. The travel shower is another cool feature that lets you wash and dry your pet before a trip. And your dog doesn't have to jump in because it has a ramp that slides in. Bedslide. Access to the truck's cargo can be made more accessible with the help of this platform. Bedslide is made for large SUVs with trunks that can be as deep as several meters. Instead of climbing up and wasting time, the whole thing can be pulled out, giving you better visibility. The platform can hold anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 pounds, depending on the model. Almost any SUV or pickup truck can be fitted with it. The price starts at $1,100. Favo Tech Automatic Car Cover. The final innovation on our list protects your vehicle from damage caused by adverse weather. Favo Tech has made a sunshade that almost pulls itself out and back on its own. When it's in the transport position, it's a small box that fits easily in the trunk of your car. After you park, you can take it out and put it on the roof. There's a remote control that controls the mechanisms inside. To fully close it, all that needs to be done by hand is to tuck in the corners on each end. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons.